Hello, good afternoon, my followers. Today is a happy Valentine's Day for you, for me, for everyone. Today we will make something special, the heart-shaped pizza. Today we will use ingredients like tomato sauce with basil, cheese, mushrooms and ham. Everything is in my hand. First, I will take the dough from the fridge. Here. How dough. Something special. First, we will make the circle. Like ordinary pizza. And then we can try to make a heart. I never made the heart before today, but I mean it's simple. Here it is, like this. I'll make the edge. Voila! First, we put breadcrumbs in a pizza dish. Tomato sauce with the basil or basil. My English is Bantu, but I wish today to speak in English because I have many friends from Australia, United States and other countries. Okay. That's enough. We will put in 250 Celsius centigrade in an oven. We put in an oven. Okay, check. Now we will put in an oven on 250 Celsius. We will chop the mushrooms and ham.
Salami.
Salami. Eccola. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye bye, see you soon.